everyone, my name is Meenak Reddy. I am studying 9th grade in Phoenix Global School. On this occasion, SAT 6, Science, Art and Technology. Today, I am going to collaborate with you the project of SpaceX. SpaceX, revolutionizing space exploration. SpaceX is founded by Elon Musk in 2002. It is a private aerospace and space transportation company. And here, in these recent achievements, in 2023, SpaceX has achieved and launched the Starship rocket. Here, it is not ever built. This is most powerful rocket. And in Falcon 9, the rocket has achieved over 200 launches, and this is fully reusable rocket. And here, SpaceX Starlink. The project has provides more thousands of satellites for the high-speed internet access to the remote areas and worldwide. And here, innovations and technologies, reusable rockets, Starship, Starlink, and Dragon capsules. Here, Falcon 9 is the fully reusable rockets. By this, reducing and reusing and the costs and impacts of the Earth. And here, Starship, a fully reusable rocket, and the Starship is designed for reusability, reducing the cost, and this is most powerful ever built. And here, Dragon capsules. This is used for cargoes and passengers to transport to the ISS, International Space Station. And advantages and challenges. Reducing the cost and using the reusable rockets, it impacts the Earth's environment and expands access to the space, commercial and spacecrafts. And here challenges. Here the Elon Musk faced the so many challenges by its reusable rockets. When the rocket went to the space, the rocket went to the send payloads to the space, and the rocket will come down to the oceans. The Elon Musk get by his vision and thinking, by that rockets he thinks to reuse. And what goes up sometimes comes down. But not only that, what sometimes it will go up. Never give up, try again. Not only by this project, we can learn in our daily life and our life. And this is the model of my project. And here the max payloads to low Earth orbit. Here the space shuttle is 30 kgs and Falcon Heavy 63,800 kgs and SL Block 1 95,000 kgs and Saturn V 1,18,000 kgs and Starship. This is 1 lakh kgs and its meters is 120 meters. Thank you, one and all. Have a great day.
This is Surya. I'm studying 6th grade in the same class. I'm coming from 9th grade. These are my team members. Her name is Ishta. She is coming from 6th grade. His name is Naman. He is coming from 6th grade. We are Einstein Road. Today we want to explain about space science. Naman, what is space science?
Space science is the study of everything beyond Earth's atmosphere, including outer space, celestial objects such as stars, planets, galaxies, and the processes that occur in the universe. It encompasses various scientific disciplines, including astronomy, the study of stars, planets, galaxies, and universe as a whole. Astrophysics focuses on the physical properties and behavior of celestial and phenomena. Planetary science investigates planets, moons, and other celestial objects in our solar system. Cosmology explores the origins of evolution and eventual fate of the universe. Astrobiology look at the involves in sending spacecrafts, robots, and humans to study space firsthand. Heliophysics, the study of sun and its interaction with the solar system. Space science helps us to understand the universe, vastness, shaping it, and the potential for future human exploration of space. Now my friend will continue.
Importance of space science. Space science is important for several reasons, offering scientific and technological advancements. Advancing knowledge. Space science helps us to understand the fundamental questions about the universe, such as its origin, structure, and the unit contributing to our place in the cosmos. Technological advancements. The challenges of space exploration drive technological advancements. Satellites, GPS, telecommunications, weather forecasting, and other materials like memory foam were developed through space science research. Earth monitoring. Satellites help us to monitor the Earth's climate, weather patterns, natural disasters, and environmental changes. This data is crucial for hurricanes, wildfires, and climate changes. Inspiring global collaboration. Space missions often require cooperation among nations and agencies. This fosters international in science and technology. Potential for new resources. Space science could lead to future discoveries of resources such as its meteorites on asteroids or energy sources like solar power in space platforms. Exploration in human survival. As Earth's resources become strained, space exploration offers the human presence to other planets. Ensuring long-term resources. Economic growth. Space industry opened up new commercial opportunities. Satellite services from space tourism. Contributing economic growth. Next, my friend will continue.
Space science is the study of outer space, including celestial bodies, solar system, and physical laws govern universe beyond Earth's atmosphere. It covers a wide topic. Celestial bodies, the study of planets, stars, asteroids, comets, as well as their formation, composition, and behavior. Cosmic phenomena examines black hole, supernova, stars, neutron, dark matter, dark energy, and the Big Bang theory that explains the universal order. Planetary science, the study of moon, solar system, objects including the geology, atmosphere, for potential the life. Astrobiology investigates the necessary reasons for life and extensions of potential life. Space technology. It covers the development and improvement of space satellites, space rockets, communication, and explore the data. This is my model. From Earth, so many companies are trying to know about Moon and Mars. Some companies are SpaceX, NASA, ISRO, Blue Origin. They're sending astronauts to satellites, and astronauts are collecting data and coming to the Earth. They're knowing about Moon and Mars. Thank you, one and all.
Fascinating and play a crucial role in shaping up our future and also the rhythm of our life on our planet. And here are some knowledge about the planet. The orbit plane. The Earth orbits in an elliptical oval-shaped path, which means the distance of the Earth to the Sun is changes throughout the year. And the perihelion. Perihelion occurs when the Earth is closest to the Sun in the time period of January 3rd every year, which means the distance from the Earth to the Sun is only about 1% million kilometers. And the aphelion. The aphelion occurs when the Earth is farthest from the Sun in the time period of July 4th every year, which means the distance of the Earth to the Sun is only about 152 million kilometers. and the orbit plane, and the orbit period. Earth takes 3.05 days to complete an orbit period around the sun, which is also called as a full year. And the extra 0.5 is for the leap year, whichever 4 is months in the February 29. Different parts of the country is different parts of the earth is faces the summer, so it is responsible for shifting of changes of the climate on our planet Earth, and also it is responsible for changing of climate of many planets. And there are the important points about the planet Earth. The equinox and solstice are the 4 key points about the planet Earth in a year. The ventral equinox around March 21, the day and night are equal. And the summer solstice on June 21. It is the longest day. It is the longest day on the year. And the autumnal equinox. It occurs September 23. Again, day and night are nearly equal. And the winter solstice on December 21. It is the shortest day on the earth on the northern hemisphere. And the planet Earth physical features. The diameter. The diameter of Earth is 1,740 kilometers. And the circumference. The circumference of Earth is 4,700 kilometers. The shape of the Earth looks like a perfect circle. Yet this is not a perfect circle, but it looks like an oval or spherical in shape. And the composition. The Earth is composed from the core, inner core, outer core, and the mantle crust. The core is most of the liquid, solid inner core and a liquid outer core. The mantle is a semi-solid rock. It's mostly with the rocks and the solid things. And the mantle is mostly of the volcanic eruptions, volcanoes, and mostly with the heat, etc. And the layers of the Earth. It includes the exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, mesosphere, and the stratosphere, and the troposphere. The exosphere occurs at the 10,000 kilometers height, and the thermosphere occurs at the 6,000 kilometers height, and the mesosphere occurs at the 85 kilometers, and the stratosphere occurs at the 60 kilometers, and the troposphere occurs at the 22 kilometers. And the Earth has a natural satellite which is known as the Moon. The area of the Moon is 3,740 kilometers. The Moon is the importance of this. It is the fifth largest moon in our solar system. The importance of the Moon. This moon stabilizes the Earth's actual tilt and slows down the Earth's rotation around the Sun for a long period. And the NASA mission play a vital or important role for observing the Earth, weather, climate, etc. And the research missions. The research is the NASA synthetic aperture data and mission done by both the collaboration space stations ISRO and the NASA. This mission observes the Earth, climate, and like the Earth, it will alert before the natural disasters done by the naturally, like the earthquakes, tsunamis, floods, etc. And the SWOT. The SWOT is a mission done to observe. It will give us a proper survey about the water levels, and it will alert before the floods, tsunamis, and the other natural calamities which are going to help on the planet. It will alert before. And the DEMPO. The DEMPO is a mission which is done to observe the pollutants across the North America. It will show the particular point where the pollution is more creative. And these missions give us a proper essential data about the climate on the Earth. It will alert before the natural calamities like the earthquakes, tsunamis, floods, etc. Now my friend, Pujita will continue.
The layers of the atmosphere. The
generation instant continuous meteorological observation. This mission reflects ISRO commitment to developing technology for real-time data collection and improved environmental management. ISRO Earth observation mission support farmers' national policy to make it to play India's sustainable development efforts. Unique significant act from NASA and ISRO. NASA and ISRO have made unique significant and contribution to historic significant nature that highlights the achievement to developing technology. Global carbon monitoring and ecosystem dynamics. Global carbon 3D forest mapping, deforestation, reforestation, and forest degradation. Next, my friend will continue.
Atmospheric pollution and health impact joint NASA ISRO mission. Unit contribution. Joint NASA ISRO scientific adventure radar. Ecosystem disciplines such as deforestation. Next, my friend will
This model shows how the Earth rotates around the Sun. Next, my friend Pujita will continue. Sorry, thank you, Honorable. Have a nice day.
My name is Alika from 7th grade. His name is Jyotika from 8th grade. His name is Manohar from 7th grade. We all belongs to engineering group. Today we are demonstrating about astronomical phenomena. What is astronomical phenomena?
Astronomical phenomena refers to events or objects that related to celestial bodies. Some common examples include solar and lunar eclipse occur when the Earth aligns its head that one body blocks the light from another. Meteoroshowers, when the Earth passes through by a comet causing various meteors to across the sky. Comets, ice bodies releasing gases and dust forming after a day to approach the sun. Passage of the moon, the varying appearance of the moon has seen from the Earth around our planet. Next, my friend will continue about importance of astronomical phenomena.
Importance of astronomical phenomena. Astronomical phenomena holds scientific understanding for several reasons. Scientific understanding. Observing and studying these phenomena like whole scientific fundamental process of the universe such as cellular evolution, cosmological formation, and the behavior of celestial bodies. Cosmological insights. They provide clues about the history and the structures of the universe such as imagined origins of galaxies and stars, planetary system. Technological advancement. They need to provide an analysis which offer data analysis which often have working applications. Now my friend Manohar will continue about the uses of astronomical phenomena.
Uses of astronomical phenomena. Historical celestial events like explore the position of stars now from radiation and the weird gas that the system. The regulation of astronomical that solar must have been used from radiation, the regulation of galaxies and then so space exploration. Astronomical phenomena
This is my model and this is the sun. Sun will protect for dams, solar panels, solar winds and for flowing of water and factories and sun will help for growth both the trees. And thank you everyone. Have a great day.
Evaluation